Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to a UK bank, a United Kingdom bank. So the first thing that you need to know is you need to verify your account on Wise because otherwise you can't send money. Then after that we select right here send and then we do, for example, not for example because we need it, United Kingdom, and then we fill in right here 100 euros. Then what we're going to do right here is we do add recipient and then we click here on bank details and then we do someone else. Then we fill in right here their email, but now you need to decide which option you want to use because we are having a local bank account, the IBAN option or the SWIFT option. So choose between those three. Then also keep in mind that if you're using the SWIFT option, that it might take 2 to 5 days longer. Now we do right here, for example, the local bank account. So we fill in right here the full name of the account holder, the UK sort code, and then the account number. And then we do continue. Then he will send you to the review page where you need to check all your details carefully. And then after that, you need to do your payment. This is how you can send money from Wise to a UK bank. Hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.